My name is Samantha Johnston. I'm a physician assistant at the Yavapai Community Health Center. Here I provide a broad spectrum of primary care medical services as well as women's health services. Every day I'm problem solving in my job. When the patient comes into the office, they have an issue and I have to figure that out. Sometimes I might not be able to make that diagnosis just looking at the patient. I need the test results. Sometimes I might need to seek out help from different resources, from other providers in the office, or having to go the old school way and look up a book. Every day I do feel like, it's kind of a guessing game and a puzzle to try and figure out. And that's what's so fun about the profession, is because every patient's different. I don't know exactly what I'm walking into every time I come in the door. As a physician assistant, one characteristic that is really important is empathy and being able to get down on a level with your patients. I think as long as you have a good heart, you love helping people, you want to do something in the medical field, I think this would be a great path for you. Being a physician assistant is extremely fun for many reasons. One thing is I get to work with people. I get to work with people of all ages, from little babies to elderly people of all walks of life. I also love doing procedures. As a PA, we really get trained in doing procedures on patients, like joint injections, suturing, taking out like abscesses on patients or different things. I'm kind of weird like that, is I like to do that type of stuff. And it is a huge need for medical providers in rural communities, such as Yavapai County, different parts of Maricopa County, obviously. And the physician assistant profession was actually created to fill that need. And so that is a huge reason why I came up to Yavapai County to work, was to fill that prophecy, if you will, of what the physician assistant background was created to do. So one thing that really drove me to becoming a physician assistant also was the fact that I didn't have to go to 12 years of school until I was able to start working. As a PA, you need your bachelor's degree and a master's degree, whereas medical doctors or physicians, they have to get their bachelor's as well as a doctorate degree. So right there is 8 years of schooling, but then they also have to do their residency, which is another 4 years. And so it's a very long process for them, whereas I was able to get done after just like 6.5 years. I was out there providing services to patients and getting an income for my family.